Welcome back. Today I am doing a FODMAP diet friendly recipe. For those with IBS or irritable bowel syndrome, FODMAP diet can be really helpful and it can feel really difficult to follow. Sometimes it can feel really restrictive, not knowing what you can put on your plate. So I really wanted to empower you, again, back in the kitchen today on how to make a dish that is FODMAP friendly and can be used in multiple ways. So today I am showing you, first of all, many vegetables that are FODMAP friendly. So we have things like tomatoes, sweet peppers, any color, zucchini, potatoes, and eggplant. Those are all FODMAP friendly. What isn't so FODMAP friendly is something like garlic. So I wanted to show you how to still have that delicious flavor without having the symptoms act up. And that's by making a garlic-infused olive oil. And what that does is it allows you to enjoy the flavor without having the irritant that can come from things like garlic or onion. So all you need for this recipe is 4 cloves of garlic that have been peeled, half a cup of olive oil, and I'm going to mix those two up in a small saucepan, and I'm going to simmer it, which means barely boiling, for 30 to 45 minutes. Our goal here is to get the garlic flavor and to infuse that olive oil. We don't want to burn the garlic. That is not our goal, nor flavor that we would enjoy. So I have infused this for about 45 minutes, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. You see the garlic looks golden brown, but not burnt. Now, once I am finished, I'm going to strain that olive oil into a jar that closes really well. So here I have a container, and I'm using a small colander, and I'm putting my garlic through it. I don't want any pieces of garlics, big or small, to be in that container. And now I have this gorgeous garlic flavored olive oil that won't irritate my stomach. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle that olive oil on my roasting tray, just really thin layer on all of them. And then I can use my hands, because using our hands in the kitchen is yet another way of waking up our senses. And I'm just going to rub the oil on all my vegetables. You'll notice that the eggplant or aubergine, that one really soaks up. It's like a sponge. So you might need to add just a little bit more to that. Once I find that I have my olive oil all around everything, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, ready to go in the oven. And when it comes out, this is what we're looking at. These last up to a week in your refrigerator. And again, you have that beautiful flavor of the garlic without the irritant. If you want more information about FODMAP diet or IBS, please take a listen to my episode with Kelsey Moore, who's a registered dietitian. You can find that wherever you listen to your podcasts. You're looking for Culinary Medicine Recipe podcast. You can also find it at alternativefoodnetwork.com. Until next time, salud and bon appetit.
Please note that the content or opinions in this episode are for informational purposes only and are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you are uncertain if an ingredient mentioned here is suitable for your diet due to allergies or other reasons, please discuss with your doctor or other qualified healthcare provider.